Mahapatra, there are lack in fond of health and science. Don't you think so? It's imperative to address that thing. Lack of fund in the health and science in compared to other.
Okay. Okay. First of all, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And I must congratulate Dr. Dibyajit Sahu
So much, ma'am.
for conducting this event, for bringing the think tank, the leadership of the state together on a common platform. This is a wonderful thing, and I'm so happy that Orissa is progressing. Who is saying Orissa is not progressing? Today, this stage is a very good example of the progressive mindset of the state. We can see a gender equality here, women in leadership position. So yes, we are progressing very strong in a very fast pace towards Viksit Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now when you talk about the funding, I would say that India innovation ecosystem is exponentially growing over so many years, leapfrogging many other developing countries. Our homegrown startups working in telemedicine, be it device or diagnostic, are really strongly carving their niche in the innovation ecosystem. Yes, healthcare innovation has its own challenges because of the long R&D gestation period. There is, again, regulatory hurdles. Earlier, yes, I would say that the appetite from the venture capitalist or from corporates was less, but change is happening. Change is for good. Now they are seeing that there is a lot of potential in the deep technologies. Even for the Gate Foundation, corporates like Gate Foundation, Wellcome Trust, they are really looking for Orissa in terms of public health, because there's a lot of diversity here. We have seen CSIR, corporate social responsibility, looking beyond the conventional CSR funding. They really want to support deep technologies in terms of deployment, because innovation isn't complete until it reaches the mass. The goal is not to create solutions for the privileged few, but the unserved many. But when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, we are talking about Odisha to becoming the landscape, innovation landscape, not only national, on a global scale. It cannot be the effort of a single institution, single individual, or talking about funding. Funding is never a problem, but the problem is coming together, bringing all the stakeholders together, leveraging the strength and resources on a very unified platform.